Welcome back to the Canva tutorial. I hope you're doing well. I'm Wayne, and in today's tutorial, we'll dive into Canva and show you how to practically edit images and make stunning designs. By the end of this, you'll know how to confidently create your designs like a professional. First, open any browser on your computer and search for Canva. Click on the first link and log in using your credentials. This is the main interface of Canva. Now we are going to edit a picture to understand how to design within Canva. On the top left corner, you can see Create a Design and click on it. Here you can see different sections like Docs, Whiteboards, Presentations, and many more. Select your desired design or format you need. I am creating an Instagram post. Before we start designing, let's make sure we choose the correct canvas size. Canva provides preset dimensions for platforms like Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, and more. For instance, you can select 1080 by 1080 pixels. Now you will have a canvas where you can edit your image. On the left, you have customization actions to edit it to our needs. To change the canvas color, click on the canvas. On top, you can see a white color option. Click on that and choose your color. To add preset templates provided by Canva, go to Design on the left panel and search for Instagram posts. You can see tons of pre-made templates. Choose your favorite one and start designing. We have this template in our canvas. Now it is time to edit it according to our needs. To add text, click on Text on the left panel, select the font and type. To add an image, you can upload your image. To add your image, click on Upload on the left and drag and drop your file. Or to add preset images, click on Elements and search for the type of image you need. You'll find the customization actions on the left-hand side. From there, you can add images, text, and elements. Make sure to explore each section as it's key to getting comfortable with Canva. Here you can see we have a sales ad post. To alter changes, click on them and add, redesign, and re-edit to your needs. I will fast forward to make it shorter. Click on the image you want. Adjust your image to your respective ratio or the canvas. If you need, you can also color grade your image. Click on Adjust and change brightness, contrast, temperature, shadows, vignette. Just play with these to make the image unique. You can also crop the image using the crop tool. By using Remove Background, you can remove the background of the image with the help of Magic Studio in seconds, but some features like background removal and magic tools are only available in the premium version of Canva. If you're using the free version, you can still do a lot, but upgrading unlocks these powerful tools. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps me create more content like this for you. The Magic Eraser tool allows you to remove unwanted items in your image, perfect for making a cluttered background cleaner. The Magic Grab tool helps you isolate elements for more creative control, especially when you're trying to keep a clean and professional look. Magic Grab tool gives proficiency in grabbing the specific elements in the image. Grab Text helps to extract the inbuilt text on the image, useful to remove the text watermark in the image. Magic Editing helps you to take further steps to your image, like adding or replacing certain things to make it attractive. Feel free to pause the video and try these features on your design. Canva is all about experimentation, so don't hesitate to explore the tools. To make more unique, use filters and effects to make the best output. To get pre-made templates, go to Design, or if you need particular elements or graphics, then click on Elements. The actual thing is, here you have a variety of ways to make your work outperform the best. You can add lines, shapes, graphics, photos, videos, songs, charts, frames, and grids to make your work faster. Search for the elements that upscale your work. Now that we've mastered customizing the canvas and adding images, let's take it a step further and explore how to make your designs even more unique with animations and elements. Just a gentle reminder, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Here's a tip to get access to your desired elements faster. Search for elements, and you can see the filter option on the right side of the search bar. Click on Filter, select your brand color, and enter the color codes to get accurate colored elements. Then choose your type of orientation you need. Choose the type of animation you need, either static or animated. Cutouts provide the elements with transparent background tick. This tip helps you find your elements much faster. Add your designs and elements, alternate with the image and canvas. To make them more attractive, add animations, and then export with a format like MP4, JPEG, transparent, or PNG. In the next tutorial, we will explore some amazing apps that integrate seamlessly with Canva and make your design process even faster and easier. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out.